In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blockchain.com wallet account, a 2025 guide. Whether you're new to cryptocurrencies or just need a refresher on setting up your blockchain wallet, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can manage your digital assets with ease. To get started, open your web browser and type in blockchain.com in the search bar, then hit enter. This will take you to the official site. Blockchain.com is one of the most trusted platforms for managing digital currencies, providing a secure and user-friendly environment for all your cryptocurrency needs. Once the web page loads, look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will lead you to the registration page, where you'll begin creating your account. On the Sign Up page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Choose an email that you frequently use, as blockchain.com will send essential emails and notifications regarding your account to this address. After entering your email, the next step is setting a secure password. When creating your password, make sure it's robust and unique, incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. A strong password is crucial for protecting your wallet from unauthorized access. After inputting your password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again. This step is to ensure there are no typos or errors in your original entry, which could lead to frustration or account lockout down the line. Double-check both entries to confirm they match exactly. Now, if you prefer a more streamlined approach, you have the option to sign up via Google. This method allows you to create an account using your existing Google credentials, which can be especially convenient if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. Just click the Sign Up with Google button and you'll be guided through the authorization process. After completing these steps, you'll receive a confirmation email from blockchain.com. Be sure to check your inbox, and if you don't see it right away, glance into your spam or promotions folders. Click on the link within this email to verify your account, a crucial step for enabling access to your new blockchain wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully created your blockchain.com wallet account. With your account set up, you're ready to explore the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember, always be cautious with your personal information and never share your account details with anyone. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you navigate the fascinating world of digital currencies. Thank you for watching.